In today's video, we're going to go over calibrating the conveyor or calculating the CFR value for a G5 Newleader bed. First thing we want to do is we want to go in and disable our spinner assembly so that no one gets hurt at the rear of the machine as we are catching the product coming out of the bin. In order to turn our spinner assemblies off in the display, we will go to our toolbox icon here and we will take the check mark out of Enable Spinner Assembly. Once that is complete, we are safe to pull up behind the machine with a front end loader and catch product coming out of the bin. Getting to our calibration on a G5, we're going to go into our gear setting and then we're going to select conveyor. This particular routine is we're going to do a static routine. Now it helps to have a close value in CFR before we get started. If we do not have one, 0.10 is always a good starting point. So we're going to click on static routine. It's going to make sure that we have disabled the spinner hydraulic circuit, in which we did. So now we're going to verify our feed gate height, which we have this one set at 2. Verify our product density. So we took the measurement out of our density gauge and verified that. Now we have to enter a dispense amount. I've loaded the machine with 1,000 pounds of product and I want to dispense around 500 pounds of product. So we will enter dispense amount as 500 pounds. We will go to the next. On this page, we're going to start the calibration process. If it has not been done before, we need to prime the belts. Now how we're going to prime the belts is we're going to hit the start button until someone tells us to stop. And then when they tell us to stop, we'll hit the stop button. Okay, this is what this is going to look like. I have verified that the product is coming out of the belt, so now that we are primed, we will go ahead and reset our counter, and then we will hit play. Now as the product is counting up, we are dispensing into a front end loader so that we can catch it all and be able to dump it back into something, be able to weigh it to see what the machine dispensed. Once we have dispensed our desired amount, it is going to stop automatically. So once we get to this page, we're going to hit the next button. We're going to weigh the product that we caught out of the machine and enter it here. Once we enter the pounds that were dispensed, it will calculate us a new CFR value and the calibration is complete. There is our new calibration value for a CFR of 0.1209. Once we hit the green check mark, we will save that value. Thanks for watching.